Fireworks continue in the parliament. The government is completely cornered over the abusive minister Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti's comments. The opposition has rejected Sadhvi's apology. She was seen evading direct questions today as the opposition is demanding that the minister must step down. Rajya Sabha has been adjourned multiple times since the morning as the MPs stormed the well of the house and have demanded strong action against the minister. But the government has rejected opposition's demand, saying that the minister has already apologized and there is no question of the resignation since the statements were made outside the house. We're getting a lot of reactions. Take a listen in.
Sir, outside she made some remarks, which are objectionable. Which are objectionable, not acceptable. The minister has realized it and came to the other house where she is a member and then expressed regrets, offered an apology. She came. ये क्या तरीका है?
No, please.
सुनना नहीं चाहे तो बाहर जाओ ना, क्या है इसमें? सुनना नहीं चाहे तो बाहर जाओ.
What is your demand? Listen, sit down. Okay.
आपको 5 साल सुनना ही पड़ेगा जी. कुछ विकल्प नहीं है. So, sir.
No, please.
The minister
Nothing else will go on record.
Minister came here with the permission of the chair. With the permission of the chair. I expect a civilized response from others also. Sir, we have been patient to hear. She has made her statement with the permission of the chair, which is on record. If the statement is not clear to some members, I can make her to make the statement again also. I have no problem on that.
Why no?
So it is very clear. Sir, you should control them. Sir, secondly,
No, please.
Secondly, let me complete, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
let the minister complete. Yes.
Sir, the Minister for Parliamentary Affairs has clarified the issue. The leader of the House have clearly clarified the stand of the government. And then, that being the case, the issue should be closed there.
एक विषय प्रस्ताव करना चाहता हूं क्योंकि प्रधानमंत्री जी यहाँ उपस्थित है। जो हादसा यानी कल एक मिनिस्टर ने ऐसा बयान दिया था जिसके ऊपर चर्चा भी हो गई थी, उन्होंने अपना अपराध मान लिया। जब उन्होंने अपना अपराध मान लिया है तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर को अपने मंत्री पद से निकाल देना चाहिए।
पर चर्चा भी हो चुकी है।
Meetu is joining us on the story. Meetu, we've seen that fireworks continue in both the houses of the parliament with the opposition demanding the resignation of this minister. But the BJP government is clear in its stand. They've said, though we regret the statement, but there is no question of the resignation. Do we see a sort of a management by the government on this issue?
Well, see, at the moment where the government is concerned, remember in the Lok Sabha they have the numbers, so they really don't need to worry there. In the Rajya Sabha, it's a bit of an issue today. We saw, the Rajya Sabha was adjourned for at least 4 times, and mainly the entire opposition, so to say, including parties like the SP, the BSP, the Trinamool Congress, the JDU, were with the Congress party. The Congress was, of course, in the well of the house, shouting slogans demanding that the Sadhvi should be sacked by the Prime Minister. Of course, that's not going to be happening, and Venkaiah Naidu putting up a very spirited defense, and essentially the sense one gets is that the Congress is telling the BJP that as you sow, so you reap. So essentially the BJP disrupted the house for 10 years, and now this is what the Congress is going to be doing. So it's essentially a tit for tat that we are seeing here. The Congress is going to be seeing to it that the house doesn't run, at least the Rajya Sabha doesn't run. In the Lok Sabha, however, it's a different story. But yes, where the opposition is concerned, they are trying to draw as much mileage as they can out of this issue, putting the BJP on the back burner and pointing out that the BJP is all about communal politics. How much of this really helps them in the assembly elections in Delhi remains to be seen, but at the moment the opposition is putting up a spirited defense.